ever watched a movie and thought, I want to be the star of my own story, the one who commands attention effortlessly? You know, the one who walks into a room and owns it, the one everyone remembers, the one who leaves a lasting impression. That, my friends, is main character energy. It's the aura that makes someone stand out in any crowd, the vibe that says, I am here and I am unforgettable. Have you ever wished to embody that same vibe? To be the person who lights up a room just by walking in? To have that magnetic presence that draws people in? It's not just about looks or style, it's about the energy you bring. It's about confidence, charm, and that undeniable spark that makes someone unforgettable. It's about being authentically you and embracing every part of yourself. It's not about being perfect, it's about owning who you are and letting your light shine. It's about embracing your imperfections and turning them into strengths. Ready to unleash your inner that girl? Let's dive in and discover how you can harness your own main character energy. It's time to step into the spotlight and let the world see the real you. Let's be real. Standing out can be scary. It can feel like all eyes are on you, scrutinizing your every move. The fear of judgment, of not fitting in, can be overwhelming. We're often conditioned to blend in, to not make waves. Society teaches us to follow the crowd, to conform to norms and expectations. It's easier, safer, and less risky. But here's the thing, blending in is boring. It stifles creativity and individuality. It prevents us from expressing our true selves and exploring our full potential. It keeps us small, hidden in the shadows of our potential. When we blend in, we miss out on opportunities to shine, to make a difference, to be remembered. That girl embraces the fear and steps into the spotlight anyway. She knows that growth happens outside of her comfort zone. She faces her fears head on and uses them as fuel to propel her forward. She understands that true confidence comes from embracing her individuality. It's about celebrating what makes her unique and using it to her advantage. She's not afraid to be different, to voice her opinions, to take up space. She knows that her voice matters and that her perspective is valuable. It's about recognizing your worth and refusing to apologize for it. It's about standing tall, being proud of who you are, and not letting anyone dim your light. So, dare to stand out, embrace your uniqueness, and let the world see the real you. Want to know the secret to that girl energy? It's simpler than you think. Be you, unapologetically. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your passions, and rock your individuality like a boss. Confidence, my friends, is key. It's about believing in yourself, even when it feels scary. It's knowing your worth and refusing to settle for less. Confidence is contagious, and when you radiate it, the world takes notice. That girl. Essentials. A quick recap. Let's recap. That girl is confident, charming, and authentic. She owns her story, embraces her uniqueness, and radiates a contagious energy that draws people in. She's not perfect, but she's perfectly comfortable with who she is. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but about amplifying the amazingness that already exists within you. Owning your story. Authenticity is key. In a world obsessed with filters and facades, authenticity is a breath of fresh air. That girl knows this. She understands that being genuine is not just about showing the good parts, but also the struggles and imperfections that make her who she is. She's not afraid to show her true colors, quirks, and all. Her laughter, her tears, her moments of doubt and triumph are all part of her authentic self. She embraces her uniqueness and lets it shine through in everything she does. She owns her story, every messy, beautiful chapter of it. Authenticity is magnetic. It's about being real, being vulnerable, and being unapologetically yourself. She knows that her past struggles have shaped her into the strong, confident person she is today. It draws people in because it's real, it's relatable, it's human. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine because it creates a sense of connection and trust. When she shares her story, others see themselves in her journey and feel inspired to embrace their own authenticity. Embrace your journey, celebrate your victories, learn from your setbacks. Every experience, whether good or bad, is a valuable part of your story. By celebrating your achievements and learning from your mistakes, you grow and evolve into a more authentic version of yourself. Your story is uniquely yours, and that's what makes it so powerful. No one else has lived your life or experienced your journey. Embrace your individuality with pride and let your authentic self shine. Remember, authenticity is not just a trait, it's a way of life. Joining the movement, share your journey. Ready to unleash your inner that girl? Share your journey. Tell us about your passions, your quirks, your dreams. Let's create a community of empowered women lifting each other up. Share your story using Youth That Girl vibes and tag me. Let's inspire each other to embrace our individuality and shine our brightest. Remember, you are powerful beyond measure, and the world needs your magic. Keep shining. Growth is a lifelong adventure. Becoming that girl isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about continuous growth, self-discovery, and pushing yourself outside your comfort zone. There will be setbacks, doubts, and moments of insecurity, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never stop believing in the amazing, unique, and powerful woman you are. The world is waiting for you to shine. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning how to unlock your main character energy and become that girl, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, The Life Learning Institute, for more amazing content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to leave a comment down below. Until next time, I'm Athena, and remember to keep shining and living your best life. See you in the next video.